And this is Megatron. Megatron is a boa constrictor constrictor. He's a Suriname boa. And let's see if I can get around to his head. We're outside, enjoying the day. Hi, Megs. Oops, and you're hiding in the shed. Oh, there you are. What's up, Megs? Want to say hi to the camera? You want to check out what the heck the camera is? Oh, Megs. Oh, Meg, you are way out of focus now, darling. Aren't you pretty? Okay. And I have a pissy. Oops, sorry about that. I have a pissy bearded dragon on my shoulder right now who does not like the snake. Sorry about the shaking. We'll blame that on lithium. But Megatron just got through shedding. Looks really pretty. That would probably be FedEx overhead. But yeah, that's Megatron.